In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock unknown callers on your iPhone. If you've noticed that your device isn't receiving calls from hidden or unfamiliar numbers, there's a simple setting we can adjust to fix that. This is a very common issue. By default, iPhones have a feature that can automatically silence calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. When this happens, those calls go straight to voicemail without ringing. To fix this, we just need to change one setting. First, open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the option called Phone. Tap on it to open your phone-related settings. Inside the phone settings, look for Silence Unknown Callers. This is the feature that blocks or silences calls from numbers you don't recognize. If this setting is turned on, your iPhone will send calls from any number not in your contacts directly to voicemail. To start receiving calls from unknown or hidden numbers again, simply turn this setting off. Tap the toggle next to Silence Unknown Callers to disable it. After turning it off, your iPhone will ring for all incoming calls, including those from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. It's a quick and easy fix that can make a big difference. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If this video helped you unblock unknown calls on your iPhone, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks.